Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mike. Thank you, Michael. Yeah, I'm feeling much better today. Still not 100%, but oh my God, yesterday was a day from hell, I'll tell you. Oof, thank God it's over. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Jean. Thank you, Sandra. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I've had migraines for pretty much all my life. But then a few years ago, I thought I found a solution, and for about 2, 3 years, I almost didn't have any migraines. But then I did the COVID vaccine, and it came back. And then, as I was getting better from the vaccine, about a year later, I got COVID in May, and it got even worse. So I'm sure it's like post-COVID thing. It's just so brutal. But thank you for your understanding, and thank you for your good vibes yesterday. I really needed that. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Yanni. All right, it is time for us to start. And I thought that during our chakra series, we're just gonna do on Mondays instead of quantum jumping, we're gonna do rainbow chakra practice. Unless you want quantum jumping, which you can let me know in the comments. But today we'll do the rainbow and see how it goes for you. So, as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Gently scan your body and notice what's going on for you physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now? Let your breath be soft and easy. Don't try to control it. See if you can simply observe how your breath flows in and out of your body, how your body responds to your breath. Now close your eyes and imagine a bright and beautiful rainbow across the sky. It is so close that you can see each color perfectly. Take a nice breath in, and as you inhale, visualize the color red, the color of the earth. And as you do this, also visualize yourself stepping into this color, stepping into the rainbow. Let the energy of this color surround you and also feel it from within, radiating from your root chakra at the base of your spine, all around you in all directions. As you take your next breath in, visualize and step into the color orange, the color of the setting sun. Let the energy of this color surround you, bathe you, and also notice how it radiates from within, from your second chakra, right under your navel, in all directions. The next breath is going to take you into the color yellow, the color of the sun. Let the energy surround you, bathe you, and feel how the same energy radiates from within, from your third chakra at the level of your solar plexus, going in all directions around you. take another nice breath in, and while you inhale, visualize and step into the color green. Let the healing energy of this color bathe you, surround your physical body, and also feel how it radiates from within you, from your heart, in all directions, healing the world through yourself. Your next breath takes you into the next step of the rainbow, the color blue, the color of the sky. Let this blue energy surround you, and also feel how you radiate this energy from your throat chakra in all directions. With your next inhale, visualize and step into the color indigo, the color of the night sky. Let this energy bathe you, surround your physical body, and also feel how it radiates from within you, originating in your third eye center between your brows in all directions. And finally, inhale and step into the color violet, the top color of the rainbow. Feel the energy around you, and also notice how it radiates from your crown chakra in all directions. And now visualize all these colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Mix and match within your body. And see how each ray of color radiates from each of your chakras into the world. How this rainbow passes through you and also surrounds you. Stay a little bit in this energy of rainbow. Notice if some colors are brighter, maybe there is some pulsation, maybe there is some movement. Let yourself be inspired by your own chakra energy. Ask yourself, what do I need the most right now? And let the answer come from within. Bring your hands to your heart and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I am okay. All is well in my world. Now we're gonna make our way out of the rainbow, step by step. Inhale, visualizing the violet color. Exhale here. On your next inhale, step into the indigo of your third chakra. Exhale here. Inhale into the blue of your throat chakra. Exhale here. Inhale, stepping into the green of your heart. Exhale. With your next inhale, step into the yellow of your solar plexus. Exhale. Inhale into the orange of your sacral chakra. Release your breath here. And finally, inhale into the red of your root chakra. And exhale here. Once again, visualize now the rainbow in front of you, imagining how it paints itself across the sky. Remind yourself that you have this rainbow within you, and you can step into this energy of healing, power, wisdom at any point during your day. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.